So now we've received all of this solar equipment, it's time to get it unboxed, have a look at it, and get it all connected up. First, we'll have a look at the Jackery SolarSaga 200 watt solar panel. Well packaged, bubble wrapped, and we've got the handle at the top. So we can get this packaging off, and we can see it's in its carry case. So it's got a zipped case, nice big Jackery branded zips, and press studded closure there. So nice and portable. And if we unclip it and undo the zips, move that to one side. Now we can there we go, pull that apart at the top. Wow, that is a very large solar panel. There we go, and that's not even fully straightened out. We've got support legs behind, and yeah, that is a brilliant solar panel. So we should get that connected up and see what we can produce. So having got the solar panel out of the bag and looked at that, also inside the carry bag there is a zip pocket, and inside that we've got our user guide. So we've got all the technical parameters, the safety tips, customer service, warranty, frequently asked questions, and contact information. We've got that in various languages, but that's all in there. And then we've also got our connection cable. So this will attach to the output on the solar panel and onto the DC input on the power bank on the Explorer 2000 Plus. So we'll get that connected up shortly. So now we've got into the solar panels, it's time to get into the power bank itself, or the solar generator. So that's that strap. I think we should cut this strap. There we go. Right. Let's get these open. Obviously very well packaged. And we've got a further box inside. So 2 tabs here to get in. Right, that's that one and that one. So we have got instructions inside on how to open it further. So number 1, number 2 we've done, 3 and 4, and so we're into the main box. We have some foam in the top and a pouch, zip pouch, Jackery branded obviously, with some, presumably some accessories, probably cables. So we shall have a quick look in there. And yes, we've got what looks like 3-pin mains cable and the DC car charging cable. We've also got what look like 2 conversion cables. I think there was a different type of cable on previous solar panels. So 2 of those conversion cables. Should pop those back in there. Put that on one side. And then we've got user manual for the Jackery app. So we can load the app on our phone and monitor and presumably control some of the operations over Bluetooth, so Bluetooth configuration. So we'll have a look at that when we got it up and running. And then we've got the main user manual. So this covers, have a quick flick through. We've got it in 5 languages. So we've got the technical information, we've got the packing list, we've got information about the LCD display, all of the controls on the front and on the back. Got energy saving mode, got basic operations, use with the battery pack, which are sold separately obviously, app connection, charging, and then different configurations for using the solar panels, how to get those connected up, charging in the car, various safety precautions, and warranty information. So that's the user manual. Again, we'll be reading that in more detail shortly. So lift this foam panel out, and then that. So straight off, we've got wheels on the back. We've got 2 handy carry handles, and we've got a telescopic handle, so we can move it about easily, which means we can get it from A to B. The good thing is that hides completely inside the shape of the box, so that this will get into some hopefully handy places. So on the front we've got a nice LCD display. It's got a protective film over it at the moment. We've got our 12-volt DC, so we can charge things from it using a cigarette lighter. We've got a power button. We've got our 3 mains outlets, and we've got our 2 USB and USB-C connections on the front. Then if we have a quick spin round, on the back we've got our DC expansion port. This is for additional battery packs, and we've also got our AC input and our DC input for our solar panels, and an AC input reset in case it's tripped. One of those nice flush panels on the back. Again, very little protrusion, just a bit from the wheels, but that will fit nicely into a locker. into a handy space. So we just need to get that connected up and we can start charging it.